Hello guys, it's Charlie from TechSpace and today we're going to unbox an XMAXX. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the XMAXX. That was just the batteries. Okay. Since I can remember, I've always wanted to get myself an XMAXX. It was just always out of reach. And today I can finally unbox my own, the mighty XMAXX. I've been looking forward to this unboxing for a very long time. Let's get into it straight away. So, first things first, let's get the outer shell off. Alright. Isn't she a beauty? Finally got it out of the box, guys. I think this green is awesome. I'm going to call it today. I'm going to give it its official name. This is going to be the Green Mamba. Oh, been looking forward to this one. Apparently they say here we've got 50 miles per hour. I'm not too sure how many kilometers per hour that is. 8S, 30 plus volts. This is a monster. From Traxxas, guys, I've got two mighty batteries as well from Traxxas, the official batteries, which we'll unbox a little bit later on. Right, let's check what's going on here. You see that green? Oh. How does that look? Jeez, it's an absolute monster. Oh, I've looked forward so much to getting one of these 1:5 scale R sheet truck, guys. Okay, let's get the rest done. Okay, so what we've got here is we've got the receiver. There we go. I'm guessing we have there's a little bag that you get with the Traxxas. I see some stickers in here. Let's quickly open it up. Just put it this side. Ooh, look at that flex. We've got a nice sticker kit. Yeah, you can just add that to your car. Then you've got a Traxxas, what to do if your Traxxas model breaks. Luckily we all know this is apparently the toughest RC in the world. We'll obviously test that out. Then just a little marketing kit that comes with the car in terms of batteries, chargers, etc. that Traxxas use with the ID battery identification system that they've got. And then you've got a quick start guide, which will probably be your type of instruction manual. Then I'm not too sure what this is. I believe this might have something to do with keeping the batteries in the battery bay. but I'll double check that. Then you've got a little hex nut or lug nut for the nuts to keep the tires on, just to check them out in the beginning. I'm not too sure what this is for, guys. We'll see. You've got an optional speed gear. That's probably what you're going to need to achieve that high top speed that they are rating on the box. Then I'm not too sure what this is, guys. We'll figure it out. Another one of those. Oh, this might be for the battery spacer. I'm thinking this might be for if you're using 6S batteries. This you might put this in as a battery spacer. And then you've got a little Traxxas survey warranty registration book. Awesome. Okay, let's reveal the green mamba. Okay. It's just incredible. Look at that shock towers. What do I need? What do I need? I need a side cutter. Let's do the front. If that doesn't scream presence, I don't know what will. Jeez. So let's quickly look at the body. Just gonna shift it over. As you can see, it's quite a big body. It's got this internal frame inside, which will obviously help protect it. It's got the nice Traxxas one clip open system. We just open the clip at the back and it actually slides out towards the back. Very nice, guys. It looks like a high quality body. Some good details on there as well. There's the back. There's the front. There's the side. And there is another side. Awesome. And then if you look at the truck, geez. So as you can see, it's a beauty. As you can see, massive tires. I heard that the tires on this standard is not so great, so probably going to need to get it upgraded with a belted system at some point. Let's just check where in New Zealand I can find those. If any of you know, please just let me know, guys, where I can find those belted tires in New Zealand. Alright, so you've got a nice little nudge bar at the front for impact, which we're probably going to have a couple of those. And you've got an all plastic frame set here. It really looks awesome. One of the biggest reasons why I went for XMAXX, apart from wanting it since it ever launched back in the day, was the fact that there's heaps of aftermarket parts and it's fairly easy to work on apparently and to fix. So if you look at the rear, you'll see it's just a little bumper with your wheelie bar. I'm guessing we're definitely going to need that on 8S. Your Traxxas VXL 8S ESC unit, and apparently everything is waterproof here, or water resistant rather. Velenion Extreme Brushless Power System. I'm really looking forward to get this charged and getting on the road, or on the dirt rather. Let's quickly see how it looks when we get the body back. Finally got it up, guys. Look at that. So that's the green mamba. Just a quick size comparison. So this is my Armour granite. Interesting about this one is, I know what you guys are thinking, granite voltage on the stickers. This was just a body that I bought extra. So this was an actual brushless project that I did. I bought it as a blue mega brushed. This is the version 3, and I decided to convert it to brushless, and I've always been running it on 2S. And Armor Granite is just an epic piece of kit. Even my wife was surprised at how amazing it is that I've never ever been able to break it. Skate park jumps, everything, I've never been able to break it. So this is a brilliant piece of kit. So yeah, that's your size comparison. That's a 110 scale and this is a 1.5 scale. Let's quickly put the truck to the side. Wife, would you mind helping? Now we're going to open up the batteries that I ordered with the car. It all came from the same hobby shop. So let's quickly get into it. I also ordered some LiPo safe bags as well, because obviously guys, LiPo batteries are dangerous and you need to be sure that when you're charging and storing it, you need to keep it in a safe place. And there is the Traxxas, the battery combo set. So it came as a set, guys, and the price was like $100 and something cheaper than if you would have went and bought the charger and the two batteries separately. We went for it. I think it was a great price. So it's a battery and charger complete pack. It's got the 2971X EZ Peak Live 12 amp 100 watt Nymph LiPo fast charger with ID, and then it's got two 6700 milliamp 14.8 volt 4 cell 25C LiPo battery packs, which those are apparently the big dogs, eh? Right, quickly unbox that. Get rid of that factory seal. Ooh, look at that, guys. Got your warnings at the back. Again, it just illustrates the danger of LiPo cell batteries. Always take care when you use this kind of stuff, guys. There's the second one. And then inside of the box is our EZ Peak Live charger. As I'm pretty sure there is a charger that you can charge both of the batteries together. Just got one socket, so it's one battery at a time. I'm not too sure how long it's going to take to charge this battery. It might say somewhere here, but yeah, we'll give all of that information when we do the official review of the XMAXX. And these are two LiPo safe battery bags. The reason why I got two, you guys are probably thinking, well, both of those batteries would have fitted into one. Yes, true, but I've got more LiPo batteries, guys. So yeah, just wanted to order a couple of those. All of this cost me what you see there right now. Just quickly want to open up these battery boxes. It's a big boy, all right. It's a 4 cell, 6007 milliamp hours. Just to give you guys a comparison, so my Granite brushless runs off of a 2S, like I mentioned earlier, and that is the size difference between the two. Alright, perfect. And obviously this one has got I think it's an XT60 connector. Yep, XT60 connector on that one. And then this has got the Traxxas official ID connector on it. So yeah, I'm not going to open the other one as well. Let's quickly open up the charger. Let's look at that. I must say I like this blue color. It really looks cool. My other LiPo battery charger doesn't look that good, but it works probably just as well. And then there's just a little instruction booklet or owner's manual on the inside as well. Obviously when you buy a green Mamba, you need to figure out or find out how quick it really is. And that's why I bought the Bushnell Velocity Radar gun. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to seeing what the speed is on it. And you guys watch out, I might be checking your speed when you're driving your cars as well. Yeah, so I'm extremely excited about this Green Mamba. I can't wait to get it charged up. If you like this video, leave a like, comment down as well, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and it will ensure that we can keep on giving you guys content as we are doing at the moment. So yes guys, thank you again for all of your support. I'm John guys from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one.